explore some solutions to fix the YouTube history not working problem. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button. Firstly, let's try clearing the data on the YouTube app. To do this, open the YouTube application and click on App Info. Then, select Clear Data and clear all cache files. Once that's done, clear all data. Check if the problem is solved or not. If that didn't work, let's move on to our second solution. Try updating YouTube. Open the Google Play Store and search for YouTube. If there's an update available, install it. After updating, check if the problem is resolved. If the problem persists, let's try checking the Pause History Watch setting. Open YouTube, click on the profile icon in the upper right, go to Settings, and select History and Privacy. Make sure that the Pause Watch History option is turned off. The fourth solution is to delete YouTube updates. Go to the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, click on the Uninstall option, and delete the updates. You can download the updates again if needed. Now, for our fifth solution, open the YouTube app and click on the profile icon at the top right. Then go to Settings, select History and Privacy, and click on Manage All Activity. From there, go to Saving your YouTube history setting and ensure that it's turned on and the boxes are checked. If your YouTube settings are not like this, set them accordingly. Finally, if none of these solutions worked, try changing your browser. Open Chrome and search for Firefox. Some people solve the issue by using the Firefox browser. You might want to give it a try. That's all for the solutions to fix the YouTube history not working problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Take care, and see you in the next video.